Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on your Hearthstone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Battle.net application on your PC. Once you open it up, you will be asked to log in if you haven't done so already, using your email address or your username as well as your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can directly start enjoying your games. Now, if you wish to appear offline so that other players cannot see your active status and invite you to their game on Hearthstone, then click on the account icon at the top right corner. You will now see various different options, including away, busy, as well as appear offline. Click on the appear offline option, and now you will see the green light disappear from the bottom right corner of your profile, which means that you will now appear offline within your game. You can change this status at any time back once again from your profile icon, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to appear offline on the Hearthstone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.